So a Proverbs that caught my attention. I read it before, but I felt like I need to share this. Ephesians 4:26, and it says in the New King James Version, "Be angry and do not sin. Do not let the sun go down on your wrath." 27, "Nor give place to the devil. Let him who stole steal no longer, but rather let him labor, working with his hands what is good, that he may have something to give him who has need." So that's just a word that I read, and I really like it, and hope you like it too. God bless you. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video with The Kid E, man. I've been waiting for hours just to make this intro, because every time I can make an intro, so the hallways and the doors will be open and it'll be quiet. I don't want to make noise. So this is the auditorium. I'm allowed in here. So what's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video with The Kid E, man. Today it's gonna be a day in my life. This is the auditorium. But if you're new, my name is Emmanuel, The Kid E, man. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you enjoyed this video. At the end, if you want to, it would help. We're going up. I have a lot of banger videos that are going to be coming soon. I also have a podcast. So if you have not heard of it, if you have never seen it, link will be in the description below. Go check it out and subscribe, because this journey is going to be amazing. 2022 has already been a great year. Comes with a lot of things and more things is going to come. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this day. Friday's going to be a good day. School, get home. So it started recording, goes on my storage. I didn't even notice. I was just talking, thinking that it was still recording, but yeah, I get the point. So yeah. I'm trying to go my way to lunch. I'm already started. I already went to lunch, but I just went to grab my phone, so let's get it. What's going on? I need to switch. Oh, this one's broken. I'm on my way to my last class, my 4th period class, my last block, whatever you like to call it. So yeah.
Follow me on Instagram.
Why you so close to the world?
Press him right down. Man.
Oh, Vizog?
Vizog.
Vizog.
We just got off the bus. Man, I'm tired. For some reason, I don't know, but I'm tired. But I'm glad it's the weekend now. We'll get some things done. I'm gonna finish my Q&A video. I'm gonna finish editing my Q&A video, and then it's gonna be uploaded. So it's gonna be. Oh, my backpack's been open the whole time. He told me it was closed. It's whatever. But my hair gonna hiccup soon. But I'm gonna catch y'all on the next clip.
2B.
112.
What'd he say? Say it again.
112.
Oh, the email that I'm in. Basically, this is getting the same every time. All the other business just made. We're trying to eat my fries, but they got the quarter pounder cheese with quarter pounder with cheese. Yeah. y'all. So my voice is just really, really like, I don't know, when I speak, it's like I should just walk around, you know. That's God's creation, God's nature, all this stuff, you know. I gotta get ready for service soon. Wash my hair or something, like it's dry, it looks bad. It can't be like this, you know. So I just walk around, you know, talk to God, I pray, think. It's very peaceful, you know. It looks so beautiful, low key. You know what I mean? Like, oh, it's just straight trees that fell. To me, it looks good. So I'm gonna show y'all around a little more. So yeah. Oh my goodness. This walked on a spider web. Ugh, let's just try this in. See, I would walk deeper into where I normally go, but there's so many spider webs. Right now, I don't have anything. So right now, I'm gonna go get ready to service and walk back. And yes. Low key, like what I'm looking out for, is so there's cows be coming over here. Cause there's nothing but land and like a farm or whatever. I need to stop putting the camera at the down angle. It's not good. I'm just like this or like this. So that's how I usually look like even when I'm recording. I'm just like, that's something like yesterday. So get ready, and I'll catch y'all at my church. I'm on my way to church right now. Okay, never mind. You know, I live, it's like church like all the way over there. Oh, I need to pay attention. Church all the way over there. So,
In our hands, Lord, to execute judgment in whom I am well pleased. Amen. God spoke concerning his son Jesus, and he said, "You are my beloved son in whom I am well pleased." Amen. What an incredible experience that was.
Y'all, so it is like the end of the day. It's 10:35 right now. Right now, my church has a prayer night from 11 to 1. It's gonna be great. I'm with Lenny. Say hi. Alright, y'all, who'll be this video? I know I could have done better, but tell me what I'm telling you. The next vlog is gonna be way better. June is gonna be really, really good, especially what's gonna happen on the 3rd and 4th. Just be ready. You know what I'm saying? A lot of this happen. It'll be a really good summer. And then hope you enjoyed this video. Stay blessed. Love you. God loves you more. If you haven't accepted Jesus into your life, accept them today. Accept them today. All right. See you later.